Yeah. Oh, so Anvar is saying, in your videos, you were talking about, I have to read it in Canadian because you're from Toronto like me. In your videos, you were talking about bulletproof coffee as one of your biohacks. I saw it in the Shoppers Drug Mart the other day. What's your recipe? Yeah. So I would say, when it comes to bulletproof coffee, and for those of you who aren't familiar with it, it's a West Coast based Canadian company that, and they make this product, and I've been drinking it every day without exception since 2015. And I feel like Bradley Cooper, minus the good looks, in the movie Limitless, when he takes that drug, he's able to be incredibly creative. But the way it works is this, and I caution everybody, like talk to a nutritionist and all that stuff first, or your doctor, because it can actually hurt your stomach a little bit. No long-term effects, I don't think. But here's what it is. So for hundreds of years, before bulletproof coffee was invented, people have been drinking, putting butter in their coffee. And people have found over the past couple hundred years that if you biohack and put butter in your coffee in the morning, for some reason, your cognitive abilities improve. You can think more clearly and speak gooder and stuff. And so what bulletproof coffee is I buy the beans from them, right? You can get them ground up as well and just use it in your coffee machine, whatever. And you can even get the Keurig ones, but they're expensive. And I hate Keurig coffee. And what you do is the coffee, they make it like other people make coffee, except they make it in such a way that there's no preservatives in it. It's fresh. And it's fresh to the extent that there's no preservatives. And the problem with preservatives in a lot of coffees is, yes, you do get that upper, whatever it is when you drink it, that jolt, which is fun. But then you crash hard because of all the other chemicals in it. So bulletproof coffee, it's coffee that's made in such a way that there's no mold on it, on the coffee. No preservatives. And what you do is you just make coffee like you usually do. And then you put in a tablespoon of organic grass-fed butter. And then after you put in the butter, what you do is there's certain oil you can get from Bulletproof. It's called MCT oil. It's like coconut oil. This is the part you got to be careful of. You're supposed to put like a tablespoon in or whatever it is. If you do this, put in like 1/1,000,000th of a drop the first day of the oil, then slowly every day add a little bit more until you get to a teaspoon or a tablespoon eventually. If you do it too quickly, you'll get stomach aches, which is what happened to me. So, but anyway, works out for me. That's my recipe.